before y'all try to judge me, like, don't worry about me. Worry about your relationship with God and your edges. Thank you.
And now it's time to get back to the show.
Why am I like this? Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. Like, I know I have braids and I look cute, but that's not why we're here right now. We are going to do a vlog-ish type of thing. I'm gonna do a room transformation because if you cannot tell by the background, my room is dirty and my mom's supposed to be coming back tomorrow to bring my decorations and stuff, so I'm gonna redecorate my room, but I know my sister is not gonna step a foot in here if it is dirty like this. And like, I don't even know why I let it get like this. Like, I really should not be showing y'all this because y'all don't know how. Well, it's my first week back and like I haven't put everything in a place yet, so like that's why it's like this basically. But if you are new to my channel and you're just seeing this beautiful chocolate face, do not forget to subscribe and join the family Terry. And for my subscribers, sorry, I'm being nosy, welcome back to my channel. I missed you and I hope you still in the Terry squad. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. I'm gonna start by just showing you the damage I've done so far. Let's go. All right, vlog style, yeah. But this is, you know, all the damage I'm done. Y'all just don't I try not to be like this all the time. I'm about to clean up where I messed up, you know, start my life over again, get it together, because that just don't make no sense. I already wiped everything down because like my mother put fear into my heart about these people, about how like nasty they are and like how the dorms are nasty. So I already wiped everything down. Like I've sanitized everything. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm tired of talking. I'm tired. Just got out of class. So just enjoy me cleaning up my room. Yeah.
They say a drunk mind speaks over thoughts. So baby, what are you saying? Cause I tell me one thing, when you take them shots, but
move like a snake.
Baby, I don't need my time wasted. If you don't want me, then just say yes, instead of calling up my phone when you've been drinking all night long. You're gonna act like you ain't saying, you're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. So drink it up. I wanna know what's on your mind. So drink it up. Want you to tell me that you're mine. So drink it up. Tell me you love me once again. So drink it up. I wanna know what you're thinking. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. You said you didn't mean it, that you went too far, trying to act like you forgot. You're acting like I'm crazy, like I made this up, but baby, I think not. All those late night conversations when you said you want my heart, and you think I'm so amazing, you don't like being apart. You told me you miss me and you need me, that you love more than my body. I caught you off guard, you falling real hard. Well, sorry, I'm not sorry. You're gonna act like you ain't saying, you're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. So drink it up. I wanna know what's
Okay, so I am done and I am pretty pleased with myself. I picked up everything and I put everything in like a temporary place. So yeah, she is back clean, and now my sister will actually come in here and help me redecorate my room. So the next clip you are going to see is me with my sister. I'm tired, girl. I done swept, no, I didn't mop, I'm lying. I done swept, did other stuff and picked up and folded. I'm tired. So now I'll just see you later.